Regency Avana, Riverside Residences at Kalyan. Welcome to Regency Avana, Riverside Residences, where luxury meets surroundings in Kalyan. Today we are thrilled to take you on an exclusive tour of this beautiful design sample flat. As we step inside, you will be immediately notice the spacious and elegant living area. The interiors are thoughtfully crafted to offer both comfort and sophistication, creating an inviting atmosphere for residents and guests alike. As you can see the balcony space of this house giving you a nice surroundings view of the premises. From this beautiful and spacious living space, we will be moving forward towards the other portions of the house. This is the dining area of the house in front of the kitchen. We will be moving towards the kitchen space of the house. The kitchen is beautifully built with big windows, sliding windows which give ample space of lighting to the kitchen. The tiles are nicely put and there is a stainless sink and the two granites which gives ample amount of space for the person to cook. The storage is never an issue in this kitchen. You can keep your appliances in this dry area to avoid any hindrances in the kitchen. The kitchen is built up beautifully with modern amenities and appliances to keep on. The high-end appliances and sleek finishes give a perfect look to this kitchen. From this kitchen, we will be moving towards the common powder area of the house. The common powder area can be a spa-like experience right at home. From elegant fixtures to spacious shower and bath, every detail has been carefully crafted. The nicely put on tiles and the fittings which gives a luxurious look to this kitchen. From this common powder area, we will be moving towards the other spaces of the house. Let's look at this common tap, and then from here, this is the bedroom of the house. Beautifully, elegantly, stylishly designed, this bedroom provides natural lighting which gives a nice environment. You can relax and take out your tiring day and unwind your day at this beautiful and cozy bedroom. The sliding windows, big sliding windows, provide huge lighting. The master bedroom of this house has also an inbuilt bathroom. The luxurious bathroom also contains spa-like experiences and features. So Regency Avana is located at Kalyan Mudbad Road with 1, 2 and 3 BHK apartments from 50 lakhs onwards, and the typical floor plan is 518 square feet for a 1 BHK, 744 to 764 square feet for a 2 BHK and 1050 square feet for a 3 BHK. Prices starts from 50 lakhs for a 1 BHK, 71.20 lakhs for 2 BHK and 95.85 lakhs onwards for a 3 BHK. If we talk about the amenities, then there are multiple levels in which the amenities are there, like a multi-level clubhouse is there at level 1 with grand entrance, lobby and services like the restaurants, kitchen services and many more. For level 2, there are ladies area like the gymnasium, aerobics, Zumba fitness center. These are for the ladies. For gents, they have gymnasium, yoga, kickboxing, skin center and Zumba fitness center. At level 3, they have theater with stage, video games area, library, squash court, badminton court, exhibition spaces. And at level 4, they have a library with a card room, guest room, sit-outs and many more. Level 5 contains restaurants, bar, business center, landscape terrace garden, party day. Location advantages as it is near the school, colleges, restaurants, railway stations and many more, making it an easy commute to the key landmarks of the city, providing excellent connectivity. That concludes our tour of the sample flat at Regency Avana Riverside Residences. We hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse of this luxury and comfort that awaits you in the new home. For more information, schedule a visit today and subscribe to our channel for update and information about the new projects in Mumbai. Thanks for joining.